In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board with someone who's not on your team. Whether you're collaborating with an external partner, freelancing, or simply working with someone outside your regular workspace, knowing how to easily share your board while managing permissions is a crucial skill. So, let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the board you intend to share. Once you're there, draw your attention to the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on this button. This is your gateway to opening up your board to others. Clicking Share will bring up a menu with various sharing options, but for our purposes today, we'll select Create Link. The Create Link button is designed to generate a unique URL. This link will enable you to grant access to your board without needing the recipient to be part of your team. Now, once you've clicked on Create Link, a new option will appear that allows you to manage the permissions for the link you're about to share. This is a crucial step, especially when you're concerned about what level of access or control you want to grant. Here, you have two primary permission settings to choose from, as a member or as an observer. If you set the permissions to member, the person will have the same access privileges as a team member, meaning they can edit, comment, and interact with the board actively. This option is ideal for collaborators who need full interaction capabilities to perform tasks or make changes. On the other hand, if you opt to set the permissions to observer, the recipient will only be able to view the board. This view-only mode is perfect for those who merely need to keep track of progress without altering anything. Once you've made your decision on the permissions, the next step is simple. You'll want to copy the link that's been generated. This is as easy as clicking the Copy Link button, and voila, the link is now saved to your clipboard, ready to be shared. With the link copied, your final step is to share it. You can paste this link into an email, a messaging app, or wherever you'd normally communicate with your intended recipient. This flexibility makes it incredibly convenient to share boards without needing to navigate through more complex invitation and approval channels. And there you have it. That's all it takes. You've successfully shared your board with an external collaborator. Now they can access your board with the level of interaction you've set. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now more confident in managing shared access to your boards. Thank you for tuning in, and happy collaborating.